Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you have a Dropbox business account and an admin role. Without that, you cannot enable SSO. Once done, gather your identity provider's SAML metadata, the SSO URL, entity ID, and X509 certificate. Next, verify your organization's domain inside Dropbox Admin Console so users map correctly. Now navigate to Admin Console Authentication and choose SAML Single Sign-On to start entering IDP details. This kicks off the setup process. You'll now configure the SAML connection in detail. Paste the IDP's ACS/SSO URL and entity ID, then upload the X509 certificate. Make sure name ID is set to the user's primary email. Map group and role attributes so Dropbox receives correct membership data. Also set clock skew tolerance and choose whether SSO is enforced immediately or only for new sessions. Once configured, save the SAML settings and use the built-in test tool to validate assertions before broader rollout. You finish by performing a test sign-in with a real user account. Confirm provisioning and group membership arrive as expected. Once tests pass, roll out SSO incrementally, enforce it for a pilot group, monitor admin console logs and IDP logs for errors, then expand. If users cannot sign in, check the certificate validity, clock skew between IDP and Dropbox, and attribute mappings for name ID or email mismatches. Finally, have a fallback admin account ready to disable SSO if urgent access recovery is needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.